Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to solve the practice problem Java basic data types. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we need to take input for 3 data types and then we need to return with the value. Those 3 data types are integer, string, and the third one is float. Okay, so basically we just need to write the input, how to take the input for them, and then we just need to return with the value, and this is the question. So I hope you are clear what we have to do. Now let's do it. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section you need to choose school. After choosing school you need to find the problem Java basic data types. Okay, once you find it you need to click on solve. So let's solve it. This is the question. Let's read the question. Read a value and store it in the appropriate Java data type. Okay. Now you need to write the code for integer over here, for string over here, and for float value over here. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. So now let's do it. 1 minute. Let's start with integer. Is equal to sc scanner dot next capital int. Okay, integer input, and then I just need to return with the value of a, right? Now we need to do the same for string. So let's start. Int s equal to sc dot next. Then I just need to return with the value of s. Last but not the least, float, right? 1 moment, I don't need to write integer over here, it should be string. Okay, let me come over here, and this one should be float, right? So it would be float f equal to sc dot next. Then next, after this it would be float, circular brackets, semicolon, enter, and then I need to write return with f. Okay, now I hope the code is clear to you. So now to check if this is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. 1 minute, let's wait if it is correct or not. Okay, the compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. 1 minute, let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem Java basic data types. So I hope the question was clear to you and you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.